Tired of using a mouse and keyboard on your favorite Epic Games Store titles? This tutorial will guide you through connecting and configuring your Xbox, PlayStation, and other controllers to play Epic games, step by step, ready to level up your gameplay. Let's dive in. First, let's set up an Xbox controller. The easiest method is to connect it directly via USB cable to your PC. Once plugged in, Windows should automatically recognize the controller for wireless connection. You'll need a Bluetooth adapter, or some motherboards have it built in. If you want to connect an Xbox One or Series controller wirelessly, you'll need the official Xbox wireless adapter for Windows, which also plugs into your PC. Windows should automatically install drivers, usually, but if not, check online or update your system. Next, for PlayStation controllers, like the Ps4 DualShock 4 and the Ps5 DualSense controllers, the general process will be the same. Connect via USB, or connect wirelessly via Bluetooth with a USB connection. The process is simple. Plug in the cable, and the controller should be visible. For Bluetooth, go to your Windows settings, click on Bluetooth and Devices, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on your PlayStation controller. Enter pairing mode by holding the PlayStation button with the share button until the light bar flashes. Your PC will then detect the controller, letting you connect to it. Now, for the in-game settings adjustment, launch your Epic Games Store, and then launch the game you want to play with a controller. Once in the game settings, search for the input section and look for controller or gamepad configuration. Generally, you'll find an option to choose your input, or some games automatically detect the controller. If it doesn't work initially, try restarting the game. For games that don't officially support controllers, you might need third-party applications that emulate controller inputs. If you're still having trouble, make sure your controller drivers are up to date, and check the in-game forums for troubleshooting. Have fun fragging!